All right, yes, welcome. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the channel that you will always find different types of hairstyles, and we always make sure that we upload every week. Yes, and I really make sure that I upload those different types of hairstyle that you will need to learn. So as you're joining me, please make sure that you click on that red button, ring the bell, and please don't forget to like the video. Of course, even if you see it, like we have these people who just see at the beginning and the ending, but please don't just go without leaving me a like. That is the most thing that I want from you. Just give me a like, or maybe if possible you have anything to ask, you can always go right in the comment section, ask whatever you want to ask about the hairstyle, and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. So this time around, I'm going to try something that is very, very interesting, and it is going to be like it's a wave, but let's try to see like if you try to plait it like a crochet, how can that happen, and how are you supposed to do it? So join me as we're seeing how all these steps, the steps on how to do this.
Number one, you know. A big thing this. Yeah. Bano beba number one. Boli chimu batikola from the art.
Now we are going to be using the Barbara hair extension from Darling Company Uganda. And yes, we always use like two pieces. You can see the pieces that are in the pack. That's how they look like. And trust me, we are going to get something that is very, very nice from it. So as you have seen, we have done the puff cornrows, but your question is going to be, how am I going to sew the wave on these cornrows? So join me and I show you this technique, and I hope you're going to love it.
Nobody can ever run them. Crochet master movie, he might run them. Ujemviri bakuwa, balinga high grade ikweba soma. All of them are styles, them are do for you. Them are make you look nice and sexy too, yeah. For the beautiful woman, yeah. Come around here by creepers, yeah. They are by clippers fire. Dolina chongamba. Hair by clippers fire. Yeah. Oh na na. Dolina chongamba. Dolina chongamba. Dolina chongamba. Dolina chongamba. Dolina chongamba. Dolina chongamba, Dolina, yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, a number one crochet master, Maurice. Zabadabuza nzenyabo akavideo kakoleddewa. Forgive me if I'm too bold, na on you me dekwe no kamala. Bakutonye kaviri, kulya kulaba kakwegomba. Ofananye African queenie, manicure pedicure checho. Wali ewa mwisi the crochet master, bali professional movie enviri bakugunyo. If you wanna look good, come and visit. Bakukola kaviri, no expected. So good and fancy. Bazukola Kavili, no da Vikango Mutini. Body neat like expected. So good and elegant woman.
Alongside Jambo Goroni.
Jambo Goroni. In the minister's village.
Alongside Jambo Goroni.
Here I keep her.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi te wongo yaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good.
All right, so now after reaching all those places that we are now reaching at our center, you can see you've been watching how I've been doing this. So the most important thing is, how are we going to finish our invisible line? Yes, how are we going to do that? Because that is the most important part that everyone would want to see, and how you would want to achieve that. So if you try to look at my wave, it is now balanced very well, like both sides are balanced. And when I reach all that, I'm remaining with only 2 cornrows, and those ones are in the middle. Okay, the 2 cornrows are in the middle. So what we're trying to do is to get the real thing. And now if I want to do that, of course, I'm going to first to just trim the weave, and I remove that top thing, the one that we used to sew on, then I cut it on top. Then after doing that, I'm going to come and I start doing it as a crochet. Okay, so this is how simple it is, just doing it as a crochet. You make sure that you do a small one. Yes, so that you create that good look as you're going to be seeing here. So for now, I can say that this is what I got for you, because the only part that we need to watch very well is these where the cornrows are. You have to see the technique and how that I did this, and you can see how the line is just disappearing because of that. So let's do it together.
He got the touch of a cricket master. Yeah. Oh no, no, no.
Cartons around my soul, baby. I've been thinking about the way you're looking, yeah. Oyingi te wongo yaka. Morris the crochet master did a make on you, yeah, yeah. The nigga did you so right. Your makeup so nice. Body fine like wine. You look so good, so good.
Wow, hey, this is now we're going to add in the morse. You can see how my wave is balanced very, very well. We're going to add in the morse, and then we see how we can do our good finishing. My name is Maurice, the crochet master. May the Lord bless you all, but please don't forget to give me a like. Yes, and if possible, you can put your comment in the comment section, and then if there is something that you need to ask, I'll be there to answer you. Bye-bye, see ya.
Morris the crochet master yabako kolangako ako toto waza beauty na chichayo engeri jonjumye okwana nembaga. You look so good, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, nobody do it like Morris. Yeah, the crochet master. Nobody do it like Morris. Yeah. Oh no 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 no, nobody do it like Morris. The crochet master, crochet master. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah, no no. Morris got the touch of a crochet master. No no no. He got the touch of a crochet master. Yeah yeah.
A touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah, yeah. You got the touch of a crochet master, Morris. Yeah, crochet master.